Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Pfizer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in Pfizer, start by researching the company and its stock performance. Visit reputable financial news websites to gather information about Pfizer. Understand the company's fundamentals, such as its earnings, revenue, and market position. Open an investment account with a broker of your choice. Choose between an online brokerage or a traditional brokerage firm based on your preferences. Compare fees, services, and available investment tools to find the best fit for you. Once your account is set up, fund it with the capital you wish to invest. Consider using a bank transfer or linking your bank account for ease of transactions. Search for Pfizer's stock ticker symbol, which is PFE. Review Pfizer's recent stock performance and price trends. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your budget and investment strategy. Look at the current stock price and calculate the total cost of your investment. Place a market order to buy shares at the current price or consider a limit order for a specific buying price. Review your order details before finalizing the purchase. Once your order is executed, monitor your investment regularly. Stay informed about news and developments related to Pfizer and the pharmaceutical industry. Consider setting up alerts on your brokerage platform for significant market movements. Regularly reassess your investment strategy based on performance and market conditions. Remember to consult with a financial advisor for personalized investment advice if needed. Keep track of your investment portfolio and adjust your holdings as necessary over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.